Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the last lecture, we learned how to make an account on the USGS. So in this lecture, we will learn how we can download the DEM data from USGS. So what you need to do is you just have to type Earth Explorer USGS. So just open this website. And then something like this will come on your screen. So first thing is you just have to click here on the search criteria, and then you need to, by just scrolling down the mouse, zoom in and zoom out, you just go where you would like to download the data. So in my case, I will go somewhere near Hyderabad. So let's say, then what you need to do is just click here, and then a point will be selected. Then just click. So right, all these points will come here. You can even, if you delete it from here, the point will get deleted, and you can even change their positions by just dragging them. So this is all what you need to do at this moment here. And then you have to go to the data sets. As in our case, we are interested in the digital elevation model. So I will go digital elevation model. Then you have to go to SRTM and click the one SRTM 1 arcs second global. And then after clicking this one, you can go to results, and there you will get all these tiles. So by clicking on this footprint, show footprint, so it will show you that this tile covers this portion. This portion is covered, this portion of the study area is covered by this tile, and then you can click on whether how much tile you need, so how much tile you need or not. So in my case, there are 4 tiles. So what I need to do is you just have to click on download. And remember that we need the TIFF files. Just click on download. So this is the first one. So it started to download here. I can close this. Now I'll move to the second one. Again, I have to click on the GeoTIFF. The second one is getting downloaded, so I can close this. Now I'll move to the third one. Download it. It's getting downloaded, so I can close this. Now move to the fourth and last one. Again, click on the TIFF file and start to download, so I can close this. So this is basically how you need to download your data from USGS. There are like multiple other things. If you go to data sets, there are different data sets which you can download. Then set images, land cover. So this is all what you can download, and then there are some additional criterias. Here, the thing is you need to play around with all these things, right? So here you can have the state boundaries, all different feature types. So it depends on you how you use this tool. So now I will go to my show all downloads. So these are the downloads, 4 tiles which I have downloaded today.